In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign documents using PDFescape. First, open your web browser and head to the PDFescape website. We're going to use the free online option, which lets you work right from your browser without installing anything. Click free online to launch the editor. Next, bring your document into PDFescape. If you've used the site recently, you'll see a panel with files you opened before. Click Load PDF previously opened to quickly pick from that list. If this is your first time or you're working with a new file, simply upload the PDF from your computer. Once the file is listed, click your PDF to open it in the editor. To place your signature, we'll insert it as an image. On the left toolbar, choose the Image tool. This tells PDFescape you want to drop a picture onto the page, which is perfect for a saved signature. Click Choose File and select your signature image. For the cleanest result, use a PNG with a transparent background so only your handwriting appears, not a white box. If you don't see a transparent option, check that your signature file ends with .png and was exported with the background removed. With the signature loaded, move your cursor over the page and click exactly where you want the signature to go. Aim for the signature line or the designated field. If you need more precision, zoom in a bit so you can align the baseline of your signature with the line on the form. After placing it, adjust the size as needed. Drag a corner handle to scale the signature proportionally. This prevents it from looking stretched or squished. A good rule of thumb is to match the height to the space provided so it looks natural and professional. You can also drag the image to fine-tune its position until the spacing and alignment feel right. Before you wrap up, take a moment to scan the page. Make sure the signature is crisp, legible, and not overlapping any text or checkboxes. If the placement isn't perfect, just drag the signature slightly until it lines up cleanly. And that's it. Your signature is now placed on the PDF using PDFescape's free online editor. This method is quick, consistent, and ideal for forms, agreements, and acknowledgments where a simple e-signature image is acceptable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you work.